Hey everybody, it's me, Kenny, just coming to you from the 3D print farm. And what I wanted to talk about today was basically my journey so far with the small ball cradle and Radiant Displays, my new company on Amazon. So pretty much where I'm at is I've sent in 1,000 of my first units of the small ball cradle and also 1,000 of the big ball cradle, though those haven't made it to Amazon's warehouse yet. And basically, at first, Amazon was going to put me in 10 different warehouses. Now it's 31 different warehouses. So I sent in 100 of 10 different colors, which means like 3 per warehouse if you do the math. And I'm like, man, that's not enough. I've already sold 19 through the first 48 hours. This thing's doing really well. And so anyway, what I'm wanting to do now is send in another few thousand of these guys to try to get ready for Prime Day. It's kind of my thought here is to try to get as many orders and reviews as I can by the time Prime Day rolls around. I have some sort of social proof, so then in Prime Day I can really hit the ground running. So I'm going to print off another 2,000 to 4,000 units of these guys, send them into Amazon, and see where we end up. So that's my thought. Amazon has been interesting to deal with. One thing I really didn't consider is just how much money you can spend on the PPC ad campaigns with Amazon. I mean, you can really get carried away, but it gives you such good data to be able to know what keywords you need to rank for, to be able to know, so many different things that have helped me re-optimize my listing, increase my click-through rate. So a lot of different things that are really going to help me out in the long run just by making a short-term sacrifice of some money, on advertising. And so that was something I didn't really anticipate. I'll make some more in-depth videos about how to actually go about, making your listings and doing everything of that nature. Whenever I get some time, it's just been tough because I've been just running and gunning trying to get units to Amazon. And so anyway, I just want to thank you all for patience with this. And I really do think I want to make this a series. I think I want to go in depth about this whole journey, especially, the thing I see over and over again with people with 3D printing is they never think about trying to get a product on Amazon. It's only Etsy, it's only eBay. It's these markets that, to be honest, are dropping the bucket compared to what Amazon can do if you have the right product. So with that said, I will in time try to make a series about how I got my product in Radiant Displays, my company, on Amazon. Thanks for tuning in.